Are you looking to find the best-selling products on Amazon but not sure where to start? In this quick JungleScout guide, I'll show you exactly how to use this powerful software to discover top-performing products that could skyrocket your e-commerce business. JungleScout is an essential tool for anyone serious about selling on Amazon. Whether you're a complete beginner or already have experience, this software gives you a clear view of the Amazon marketplace, helping you spot high-demand products with low competition. The best part? You can start using it completely free through the exclusive link below, with some added bonuses to maximize your experience. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll notice when you open JungleScout is the product database. This is your starting point for finding products to sell. With its comprehensive filter options, you can narrow down your search based on category, price range, sales volume, and more. Think of this as your product research tool to uncover profitable niches quickly. One of the most powerful features in JungleScout is the product tracker. Once you've identified potential products, you can add them to your tracker to monitor their sales performance over time. This lets you see how a product is performing, including its sales velocity, price trends, and the reviews it's getting. This helps you make data-driven decisions before you even start sourcing products. To really understand the market, you can also use the Keyword Scout tool. This feature allows you to find keywords that customers are searching for, which can guide your product listings and advertising campaigns. You'll get detailed insights into keyword search volume, competition level, and how much sales you can expect by targeting specific keywords. It's an absolute game changer for anyone serious about getting their products discovered on Amazon. But we're not stopping there. JungleScout also offers the supplier database, which helps you find reliable suppliers for the products you're interested in. This is crucial if you want to ensure you're sourcing from trustworthy manufacturers who can deliver quality products on time. With just a few clicks, you'll have access to thousands of suppliers and their contact information. As you explore these features, you'll see that JungleScout isn't just for finding products. It's a comprehensive Amazon business tool. With its real-time data and in-depth analytics, it takes the guesswork out of product research. Whether you're new to selling or looking to scale your existing business, JungleScout helps you make smarter, more informed decisions. If you're looking for a competitive edge, using JungleScout's insights will help you stay ahead of trends, understand market shifts, and avoid costly mistakes. By leveraging these features, you can reduce the risk and increase the chances of finding winning products that will drive your success on Amazon. Now remember, you can start using JungleScout completely free through the link below, along with some exclusive bonuses that will give you even more tools to succeed. To wrap things up, JungleScout makes product research on Amazon efficient and effective. From finding best-selling products to identifying profitable keywords and suppliers, this software is a must-have for anyone serious about e-commerce. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for your exclusive extended free trial.